qualify for that status in 2027 will be in 2026 to attend a level 1 small group training and write at least $2,000 in personal solutions and or SMB premium. For our Sapphire Elite level, this requirement is also staying the same. This threshold is not changing, where it's $3,500 in personal solutions premium to qualify for Sapphire. Where we are seeing a change for 2027 status is with our Emerald Elite. So Emerald Elite, that threshold is moving to $10,000 in personal solutions premium. I want to be clear, this is not for your status this year. If that was 8,000 last year, if you hit 8,000, great. We're excited to have you as an Emerald all throughout 2026. What we're even more excited to do is help you grow that result in 2026 so that you can maintain that Emerald status in 2027 and grow it to over $10,000 in personal solutions premium. Now with that, because we are raising that threshold for Emerald, I want to cover all the advantages of being an Emerald. And the reason for this is, I've said on many occasions, if you're in business solutions, even if that's not your sole focus, but if you're participating in business solutions, then we want you to be an Emerald. Ultimately, that should be your goal, to be an Emerald, and not just barely an Emerald, but solidly an Emerald whose premium is growing every year, year after year. And so we celebrate those who hit Ruby Elite. We celebrate those who hit Sapphire, no question, and that should be celebrated. But if you're in business solutions, we want you to set your sight for Emerald. And this will help us stretch, help us grow even more.